Welcome to the beautiful city of Riverside. We're right by Lake Matthews. I can literally probably throw a rock there.
Yeah, you definitely could.
You think I can reach? Hey, you see me play in the turkey bowl, bro. I
saw you in the turkey bowl. That was rough.
I was throwing dimes, but I also threw some picks. But anyways, we're here to talk about the house, Jeff. We're here in Riverside, again, gated community. Tell us a little bit about this home.
This thing is beautiful. You have up to 7-bedroom option in this house. A 7-bedroom option, that's massive. 5.5 to 6 baths, just under 4,500 square feet. This thing, beautiful. It has a 3-car garage. Just wait till you get inside.
Yeah, let's go check it out, man. We got people coming, so we gotta push this inside now. So, kind of coming out here, a lot of the homes that here in this community, they do look a little cookie cutter sometimes, but not these. These are gonna have their own type of style, right? They have their own character. They're not gonna be like the cookie cutter homes that you think of when you're thinking of a brand new home.
Yeah, and these things are gonna be right around that like 1.2, 1.3 million.
Yeah.
And like you said, I mean, right off the bat, you have like a nice rock feature exterior wall here. Really kind of ties the house together. A nice little cool patio space too.
Yeah, I like that.
You don't get too many new builds with patios, so that's cool.
You wanna get stoned?
That's real.
Real fake.
I love the big doors too.
Jeff approved door?
Jeff approved door for sure.
Yeah.
Jeff approved ceilings. Come on in.
So right when you walk in, if you come this way, we're gonna have like this little resting area. It seems like you can use it as an office. This almost looks like if you're a therapist or something, right? And then you walk in and we have like another dining room area. I personally like the dining room area on the other one.
What's up? Special guest, Jeff.
We got a couple of people filming videos in here. This is what we do, guys.
Yeah, this is what we do, but we're gonna be able to see it, so you're gonna hear some yelling in the background.
Reyes is here, so he's gonna scream.
But as you walk in here, I actually seen this home before it was all done, and I do love what they did here. Tile all the way to the floor, all the way to the top.
There's only room for one YouTuber.
Yeah. And like we were talking about, right? You have the Wolf appliances. These are gonna be like upgraded appliances for sure. Look at this range.
Yeah.
This thing's crazy cool. You got the Sub-Zero fridge.
There's like super sleek. I love it.
It's a really nice fridge. Ain't that great, but
The fridge is not that great?
it's a little shallow, but hey, it's Sub-Zero, so it keeps your food cold.
Oh, I'm gonna stick my head in here for a little bit. It's getting warm. We're getting to that summertime.
And then I believe it was Mike Escobedo on our team who said this is quartzite
Quartzite.
countertops. It's quartzite, which is different than quartz. This is like bougie quartz.
Wow.
Yeah, so just so you guys know.
You know what, I think with quartz too, like they get stained, and this one maybe seems like it probably won't. 'Cause
Yeah.
I have quartz at home, and I can kind of it gets a little stained. But this is a little bit more ideal of what you can expect for a backyard, right?
For sure, 100%. You're probably gonna get a little bit deeper. I believe this lot's right around that like 8,800.
Okay.
So you get another, 25 to 3,000 square foot more. So
Yeah.
It's a good sized yard, man. Even with this huge patio,
Yeah.
this thing comes out about 15 feet. You still have, a good amount of yard space.
Yeah, because that's gonna be an issue when people come, right? They come see the models, they're gonna be like, this backyard, no way. Like, I'm paying 1.3 million and I got a backyard like this. Like, we can't do it. And it's not gonna be the case on this.
No, not at all.
And then we do have the primary downstairs on this one?
We do, yeah. Primary's gonna be downstairs.
Go ahead, Jeff, lead the way.
Yeah, man, this space is nice. I was kind of taking it all in. It's like a good space, man.
Okay, we did a walkthrough of the other one. Which one are you feeling more?
I kind of like the other one a little better.
I do too.
I think the flow is a little bit smoother in the house.
It's a little bit more open.
It's a little more open. This feels a little more like a home.
It does.
But again, remember guys, they're building a 7-bedroom option. So it comes standard as 5, but to make room for the extra 2 bedrooms, there's gonna be a few more walls up, a few little
close it up a little bit more.
niche type spaces. Yeah, but I mean, this is a great size primary, and then look at this bathroom.
We got another one.
Man, this tub looks, is it the same one?
It looks a little different.
It does, it looks.
But we got a Robert approved tub, and then we got a Jeff approved shower.
Yeah, look at this thing. I mean, we say tub, you know, shower is big enough to party in. I don't know what that means because I don't party. I'm asleep by like 9 o'clock.
Well, you also know if it's big enough to have 2 doors, bro, and then have a whole bench. The bench is as big as my whole shower right now. Huh?
I never understood though the concept of a bench. Like, people take showers that long?
That, and what if you just got to sit there and just
Contemplate your life decisions, kind of.
I'm glad you said the word because I was gonna struggle a little bit. And then we got a walk-in closet right over here.
You got your closet here. It's gonna come with 2 closets. So hers
Washer dryer hookups.
Yeah, right in the closet as well. So you're gonna have hers and hers closets.
Hers and hers. Yeah, we always say that.
Yeah, always. And you have the washer dryer hookups, which is pretty cool. You got a washer downstairs, you know?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, so do I.
I hate, like right now, I hate like having to go upstairs to wash my clothes.
Yeah, I would hate to have to walk my clothes down the stairs.
Oh, come closer. In a mini butler's kitchen. Again, they try to do it.
Butler's kitchen. You have your access to the garage, pantry. And again, right into like the nice little formal dining.
Yeah, we already checked this area out, right?
Yeah, we saw all this. Let's head up. Let's go upstairs.
Let's do it. All right. Gotta love the size of these lofts. They're
huge.
This is gonna be like my #1 selling point besides the high ceiling when you walk in. It's gonna be the loft. Like,
it's massive, man. It's big.
Open space in the bottom, open space right here. Give them a little turnaround of this loft, man.
This is kind of the size of most people's like living rooms.
If that, yeah.
Yeah, you know, and you got that in a loft. This is really nice.
This kind of reminds me of Meritage whole great room.
Oh yeah.
You know, there's just like a straight path.
100%, yeah. This is the size of a Meritage home.
Yeah. And then we have a single bedroom right over here. If you could go in there, check it out. I love this game. I never really understood how to play it.
I just know you want to get to 3.
Yeah, bro. It's actually really cool with the
You
sand.
sprinkle the sand.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd have it in my house with sand,
Yeah.
but
It looks cool.
I would definitely take advantage of that.
Jeff, what do we got up here, man?
I don't even know where to go. So you got your second laundry room here,
Yeah.
more of like the primary laundry, and then you're gonna have 3 bedrooms. So you have a bedroom here with its own bath, and then the bathroom is actually gonna be Jack and Jill, so you can walk right on through. Whoa!
Hey there, guys.
You can walk right on through. You have the toilet and the shower in here. It's
Sure.
kind of cool. I kind of like that.
Yeah. Like,
It's a little bit more unique.
I mean, if my sisters would probably share this, like, you know, when we were younger, they would probably share this part because I would be like, I gotta use a toilet. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, and then we got this one that has its own bathroom, which I do like.
Yeah, it feels. Every room had their own bathroom, right?
Yeah, yeah. And then
so that's really cool.
the
man.
space of this one, this is a queen size bed.
It's a good sized room. Yeah.
Really good size room. This is probably gonna be your favorite kids room right here. Give them a shot of the restroom and then meet us in the loft area. Oh, hey there, you're back.
Well, I didn't even notice that. Like a little sink.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Wine cooler.
How did we
Wine
just pass that
chiller.
up?
Yeah. What the heck? Yeah, guys, so this thing is beautiful. Again, up to 7 bedrooms, 6 baths, over 4,500 or just under 4,500 square feet. It's super functional. It's just a beautiful home. 1.2, 1.3 in Riverside, right across the street from Lake Matthews. Robert thinks he can throw a rock there, right? But
I know I can throw a rock over there. I'm like that guy from Pulling
Napoleon
Dynamite.
Dynamite?
Uncle
Rico?
Uncle Rico. Let's get the ball. Just throw it real quick. But guys, these houses are gonna be amazing. Again, do not come without us. If you're looking to get a brand new home, whether it's this home or any other home in Southern California, really around the nation, we can help you. We have teams around the nation that can help you get into a home. But again, we're here in Riverside right now. So if you're looking to get in there, there's gonna be some links down below where you can click, book a 15-minute call. That's gonna be the easiest way. Or you're gonna go to New Builds for You, send Jeff a message, and you're gonna say, hey man, Jeff, I seen your YouTube, it's amazing. I wanna get into one of these homes. Either way, there's gonna be a phone number. If you wanna send me a dang email, send me a dang email. I'll reply. So guys, I guess we'll see you on the next one, right?
That's it, man, yeah.
SoCal Cedeño, out.